In the last video I made when I reviewed the bike, I got quite a bit of feedback about the fact that I also did a night kind of headlight test. So I've decided I'm gonna do this again. I mean, the things people do for likes and subscribes, huh? So I hope if you've watched this far, you're gonna like and subscribe to my channel, just to see, if you lasted this long, just to see the headlights of the BMW S1000RR. I think this is quite a special thing. Most motorcycles, I would say, have really poor headlights, so riding most bikes at night is actually quite pain because you cannot see anything. I would say this bike is different. You can see this is my high beam, this is the low beam, this is the low beam. Yeah, it's just different, you know. It's visibility is ample. It's got these LED headlights which illuminate quite far ahead, as you can see. I mean, they don't just look good in the day, they look amazing at night. And they don't just look amazing, they're also really functional. This is one of the things I really love about this bike, you know. Even when you look at the winglets from the M1000RR, which were adopted to this bike with a facelift, they are functional. Yeah, a lot of people say they look weird and everything, but actually at high speeds they really provide a lot of downforce. I mean, you can sometimes really feel them work, especially if you're trying to go quite fast and then like turn, you know, you can really feel them work, especially at higher speeds. The downforce of a bike that would otherwise be really happy to lift the front tire at higher speed, you can feel these guys working. It's the same with the headlights. They don't just look good, they also are really functional, because riding this bike at night is great. I mean, I recently did a trip to Italy, like I told you, with a friend of mine. He had a Yamaha MTO 9, I think his bike is, a slightly older one, and his headlights were atrocious because it started raining, there was a little bit of snow, he could barely see shit, you know. He couldn't see anything. So I was the one at the front with my bright ass LED lights, and he was the one in the back. And this is why it's as you can see, headlights on this thing are really special. Oh, also I gotta fill up, as you can see, just 67 kilometers on the clock. So this bike it's not so thirsty as you saw earlier. I think I showed you my fuel consumption, 6 liters per 100 kilometers, not so bad at all. But the tank is not so big. I think it's like 15 liters, 16 liters, something like that. So of course that means you have to fill up every 200 and something, 250 kilometers or so. So we're gonna come to the petrol station, I'm gonna fill the baby up, and then yeah, let's see how this goes. Alright, it's off, kickstand is down. This, oh man, just look at it. I mean, wait, just cannot tell me that this is not a good looking bike. Any angle. Excellent. Right, bitte Karte eingeben. Let's give it my card. Oh, not here. There you go. we go. Right, I'm now gonna take you down a little bit of a forest road where you can really see the beauty of these headlights. Hang on, get my jack up. Oh. There we go. See the beauty of the headlights. I mean, look. This thing can get a little bit annoying, I must admit. If you yeah, it can get a little bit annoying, that thing. Alright, so there you go, boom. So as you can see, headlights are very capable, very capable, and especially on a dark road like this, they illuminate the surface so well. You can really see for hundreds of meters ahead. So yeah, you're not gonna have any issues riding this bike at night, that's for sure. I must admit, I shouldn't do this, but I sometimes ride with my tinted visor at night, like when I go to the gym, and then I just ride back home afterwards. I have no issues seeing. Obviously, yeah, I see much better with a clear visor now, but even when I ride with my tinted visor, definitely not such a big issue. And as you can see, just the headlights are more than capable of illuminating the road ahead. Yeah, so guys, I appreciate you watching. Thank you very much for taking the time to hear my thoughts on the BMW S1000RR. I think it's an incredible bike. Can I proclaim it the king of the road? In my opinion, it is. Is it the best bike I've ever ridden so far? Yeah. Basically ticks every single box there is. The only issue with it is like carrying luggage and maybe the comfort on a slightly longer trip, but other than that, everything is so smooth. When you start with a quick shifter, the engine, the way it accelerates, the shift cam technology, which just makes this bike phenomenal regardless of whether you ride in low RPMs or higher RPMs. This bike is just sick. It's a very enjoyable thing to ride. It's a privilege actually to be able to ride this bike, you know. I'm fully grateful to the universe that my cars have aligned so well that I have the opportunity to ride this bike. Immensely grateful, and to be able to show it to you guys. This is also something that I don't take for granted. But that's a story for another day. No need to get poetic now and philosophical. I just want you to know I value each and every single one of you guys watching my videos, supporting me on the journey. And yeah, I will see you in the next one. till then, stay safe, enjoy yourself. Don't forget to enjoy yourself, enjoy life. Life is good, man. Life is good. And let me tell you something, life is even better if you get a bike. Get a 1000cc bike. Life is good. Just be responsible, yeah. Whatever bike you have, especially you guys out there with a more powerful bike, just be responsible. Don't ride like idiots. Don't be the reason people hate motorcyclists. You know, I think there's a lot of people who hate motorcyclists because they've seen a lot of bad examples of a lot of people who ride like absolute dickheads. Just respect others, respect the law, and take care of your own safety. You only have one life to live. You know, make sure you live it well, make sure you have fun, but don't risk your life unnecessarily. There's absolutely no need in that. So that's also just a little message I want to leave you with tonight. If nobody told you, just be careful. We all have people, we have loved ones, we have family, friends. They care about us, they worry about us. Getting on these bikes, you know, dangerous for sure. You can see why. Yeah, take care guys, stay safe out there, and thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.